Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, this throttle mount body, all we want to do here is that we want to replace the choke. From this one, we'll replace it with this. We get it on Belgium. We don't get the new one, but this is the Belgium. Why this is the one inside the vehicle? Now we're going to lose this and we'll put it. We're going to lose it and put it here. But this one is no more longer working perfectly. When you on the AC core, it will be vibrating, and when you put it on gear with this old one, it will be moving automatically. Now we are going to replace this with this. Okay, stay tuned for this video. Pause. Alright guys, now we are going to use this, the one on the vehicle, the one that is working. I'm going to use it out and replace it with the version. As you can see, I'm going to use it. It's 3 knots from the screw. Yeah, here's the 3. This is the Belgium, this is the Tukumbo. As you can see, this is the Tukumbo. This one is no longer working. Oh, this is the one on the vehicle. Why this one is working perfectly? This is the one we're going to use on the surface, and it's going to work perfectly for our mission. Okay. As you can see guys, we are going to seal it up with nuts and we tight it back to the position. This is what we call choke. Now we'll tight it on the vehicle and give a test and see what it's going to be outcome of the result. Let's put the old one on this. Tight it back.